In libraries and schools, skilled workers are employed in repairing and rebinding millions of books. In many places where books were hard to find, over 2,000 traveling libraries now supply the demand for knowledge and entertainment. In public nursing projects are employed graduate and registered nurses who have been removed from the relief roles. Some of the nurses visit homes, often in isolated localities, bringing instruction to needy and working mothers in the care and feeding of children. Special attention is given to maternity care and general health supervision. Where no other medical assistance of this nature is available, the nursing projects bring health and happiness where formerly death and misery were all too common. Their visits run into the millions. New interests have vanquished the darkness of despair in the lives of thousands of sightless men and women as a result of several projects in which books and maps have been translated into braille, the written language of the blind. The proofreading of these works is done by sightless experts. In some cities, instruction is given in the reading of braille maps. The tragedy of blindness has been the lot of thousands of our people in regions where trachoma, a dread eye disease, is prevalent. Many of its victims are prevented by poverty, isolation, or infirmity from receiving medical attention. To these people come visiting nurses to examine suspected cases, and provision has been made for transportation to free clinics. With this assistance, medical science has found it possible to control a disease which is a menace to young and old alike, in many cases affecting every member of a large family. Needless to say, the staff necessary to maintain this important service is recruited from the trained workers of the regions concerned. And again, useful employment is combined with an enterprise of great and immediate value to the community. Everyone is familiar with the fine work being done by the famous Warm Springs Foundation in the cure of children crippled by infantile paralysis. To thousands who would otherwise be hopeless cripples for the aid to those who need it most. The roaring waters that bring disaster to fertile valleys have a terrible rival in the drought